This is your host Sharath and you're watching Neon Tech News. And in this video, we are going to discuss the most hottest topic of today, the PUBG Mobile India. I know a lot of you are having doubts regarding PUBG Mobile accounts. I know a lot of you are having doubts about will my old account, will my PUBG Mobile global account be transferred to the new PUBG Mobile India? Will I get back all the in-app purchases? Will I get back all the skins? Will all my hard-earned efforts go in vain? So in this video, by the end of this video, I'll be giving a clear-cut answer to all your doubts regarding PUBG Mobile India. Also, I've got a lot of good news as well as a little bad news. So stay till the end of the video. Let's get started. So coming directly to the question, do I get my old account in the new PUBG Mobile India? So the answer is yes as well as no. So yes means whatever you have done in your old PUBG account will be transferred to the new account. That means in-app purchases, your uses, your frames, your past rewards, achievements, everything will be transferred to the new PUBG Mobile India account. But there is a small catch that you might have to start from level 1. All your achievements might be there, but you might have to work around from the ground. And that is one small bad news. And also the second thing is not all your accounts might come back. That means if you had got any ban during your last gameplay or something, if you have been banned for 10 years or so, none of that accounts will be transferred to the new PUBG Mobile India. Only those accounts who are playing genuinely will be transferred to the new PUBG Mobile India. So on the day before Diwali, we got a motion poster, as well as on the day of Diwali, we got a trailer saying that PUBG Mobile might come soon. But they have still not mentioned when it might arrive in India. But most of the resources say that the game might come to the Play Store by the end of December or by the end of 2020. Now people might be thinking, why this much delay? You have already released a teaser, then why not release the game? So this is because the game is actually completed, but now the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology are scrutinizing the packages. So they have to make sure that the citizens of India are safe. There is no security threats in the new application. So they have to make sure that line by line each of the code is safe for the Indian citizens. And this testing might take some time. So that might be one of the possible reasons why we are getting a delay in the announcement of the official PUBG Mobile India. Now coming to rest of your doubts, I know you might be thinking what might be the latest changes, what might be different from the old PUBG Mobile in the new PUBG Mobile India. So there are actually 4 major changes and a little minor changes. These sometimes might disturb you, sometimes you might be okay with it. So the 4 major changes will be, first of all, the gunshots. Whenever you get a hit with a bullet, you will be getting a green color blade shot instead of a red one. So I know you might be thinking the global version had an option to change the color of the blade, but this time it will be locked in green. You might not be able to change it to any other color. So that is the first change. And second change is you might be getting a time limitation on the gameplay. But I don't know what will be the exact time duration of how much time you could be playing the game. But most of the rumors suggest that the gameplay might be restricted to 6 hours per day. So today if you have played 6 hours, then you might have to wait till the next day to play the game again. So that might disturb some of the players. Thirdly, the game will be no more portrayed as a real life scenario, but instead a virtual training ground. So all these people who are running around will be running in a virtual training ground so that the game looks safe. Also, next time whenever you jump from a plane from level 1, you might be fully dressed. So this is also a major change. So whatever skin packs or dresses you're wearing will be fully dressed. So you might be thinking, why this small cosmetic changes? So actually the reason PUBG Mobile gave was that we don't need this game to be banned once more in India, so we should make sure that we take all the precautions beforehand so that nothing happens to our Indian players. Also, there are some good news such as the game will be hosted on the Microsoft Azure servers, and since this is a dedicated server for Indian players, this can help you achieve a smoother gameplay with lesser ping. Also, there is a slight change in the way the game is going to update. So basically this game will be around 600 MB and you might be getting small updates depending on what device you're using. If you're using a low-end device which is having just a 3 GB of RAM and not that much of a good processor, then PUBG Mobile will make sure that you get a smoother gameplay by downloading lesser graphics content. But if your phone is supporting well graphics, if your phone is capable of doing well with high graphics, then extra files might be downloaded after the game is installed so that you'll get a dynamic package updates. So next time when you are going to update the game, you don't have to wait for a big, large, chunky update. Instead, you'll get small bits of smaller updates. Also, Krafton Games had made a $100 million investment in India and hoping to start an office in Delhi, and which might provide you regional languages in the PUBG Mobile game, including regional language helps. So these are all the changes that we are expecting from the new PUBG Mobile India game. And if you know something else other than what is covered in this video, do share it in the comment box so that it can help everyone else. So for latest tech news and updates, do stay tuned to the channel and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon. Until next time, bye bye.